Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best fun dip is probably one of the most nostalgic and delightful candies to ever grace our childhood, and with Valentine's Day just around the corner, it's making a sweet comeback as the perfect, shareable treat that brings a burst of sugary joy and vibrant color to any celebration, offering a unique and interactive candy experience that's sure to bring smiles to faces young and old. Number 5. Wonka Fun Dips Candy. Get ready for a burst of fruity flavor with Wonka Fun Dips. It's the perfect sweet treat for any occasion. Simply dip the candy stick into the flavored powder and enjoy. Each bite is a new adventure in taste. Explore a variety of vibrant and exciting flavors. You'll find a favorite for everyone in the family. These individually wrapped treats are perfect for sharing with friends. Bring them to parties or enjoy them as a personal indulgence. Experience the timeless joy of Wonka Fun Dips. It's a classic candy that continues to delight. What we like? This is the classic candy experience you know and love. It offers a unique way to enjoy sweet powder and even eat the dipping stick. If you're looking for a nostalgic treat or a fun activity for a party, this is a great choice. What people say? This is a classic candy that brings back childhood memories. The candy is a powder that you dip the edible stick into. It's a fun and interactive treat for parties or just a sweet snack. Number 4. Wonka Fun Dip Assorted Flavor Party Pack. Get ready for a candy experience like no other. It's an interactive treat where you dip, lick, and then enjoy the edible stick. Pure, sweet fun awaits. Unleash your sweet side with our bold and vibrant fruit flavors. Experience a tantalizing mix of exciting fruity tastes that will delight your senses. With 48 individually wrapped pouches, this pack is ideal for sharing. It's a fun treat to hand out to friends and family at any gathering. Crafting delicious candy is our passion. We create timeless icons and exciting new flavors that celebrate the joy of candy. Dip, lick, and enjoy the sweet candy powder. Don't forget to savor the edible stick afterwards for an extra treat. Explore a world of exciting fruity flavors with every dip. Our candy offers a tantalizing mix that's perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings. What we like? This option is perfect for spreading love this Valentine's Day. It comes with cards, making it easy to gift to classmates or friends. If you want a sweet way to express affection and share with many people, consider this. What people say? The candy is a classic and a great nostalgic treat. It's a fun and interactive candy that kids love to eat. The variety of flavors makes it enjoyable for everyone. Number 3. Wonka Fun Dip Valentine Card and Candy Kit. Get ready to share the love with this fun Valentine's Day kit. It's packed with everything you need to create sweet memories. This kit makes it easy to craft personalized Valentine's cards. Then, share the delicious candy included for an extra special treat. Perfect for classroom parties or sharing with friends and family. Everyone will love the interactive candy experience. With 22 individual kits, there's plenty to go around. Make this Valentine's Day unforgettable for everyone. Add a delightful and interactive candy to your Valentine's greetings. It's the perfect way to make your sweet sentiments known. What we like? This is a festive holiday edition perfect for seasonal celebrations. It features 2 beloved flavors for a classic taste. If you're stocking up for a holiday party or want a special seasonal treat, this is a fantastic option. What people say? The candy sticks are perfect for dipping into the flavored powder. It's a fun and interactive candy experience for kids. The variety of flavors in the pack is great for sharing. Number 2. Lik-M-Aid Box Fun Dip Holiday Edition. Get ready for a festive treat. This holiday edition brings you 2 magical flavors for endless fun. Experience the sweet delight of cherry yum diddly and the tangy zest of Razz apple magic. These unique flavors are perfect for sharing. It's easy to enjoy. Simply dip the candy stick into the powder and lick away the deliciousness. A truly interactive candy experience. Make your holiday gatherings extra special with this fun candy. It's also a fantastic gift idea for anyone who loves a sweet surprise. Each box contains 24 individual pouches, ensuring there's plenty for everyone. Enjoy the holiday spirit with every bite. Indulge in the festive flavors of the season. This candy is sure to bring smiles and sweet memories. What we like. This is an assorted flavor party pack designed for sharing. With many individually wrapped pouches, it's ideal for events. If you need a variety of flavors to please a crowd at a gathering, this is the way to go. What people say. The candy is a classic and a great nostalgic treat. It's a fun and interactive candy that kids love to eat. The variety of flavors makes it enjoyable for everyone. Number 1. Razz Apple Magic Dip and Cherry Yum Diddly Dip. Get ready for a flavor explosion. This is the fun dip variety pack, perfect for parties and sharing. Dive into the sweet and tangy Razz Apple Magic Dip. Then, experience the delightful Cherry Yum Diddly Dip. It's easy to enjoy. Just dip your candy stick into the powder and lick up the delicious flavor. You'll want to do it again and again. These fun-sized packs are ideal for goodie bags, party favors, or just a sweet treat anytime. They bring smiles wherever they go. Relive a classic candy favorite with these 2 exciting flavors. It's a timeless treat that everyone loves. Don't miss out on this exciting candy experience. Pick up a pack and get ready for some serious fun. What we like. This offers 2 distinct and delicious flavors in a large quantity. It's perfect for ensuring everyone gets their favorite. If you're hosting a large event or want to stock up on a popular candy, this bulk pack is an excellent selection. What people say. The candy sticks are a good size for dipping. It's a classic candy that brings back childhood memories. The flavors are sweet and fruity, just as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.